Hey, this is Phil Spoelstra from the FarmOntario team, welcoming you to another dairy farm. We're at Windhaven Farms here near Fordwich, Ontario, and this is a beautiful tie stall operation that's set on 100 acres with roughly 73-74 workable. The property features a classic stone home and a beautiful sand-bedded tie stall barn. With 67 saleable kilos of quota after the recent 2% increase, this is a great farm to get into the dairy market or to add to an existing operation. At the end of the video, you'll find our contact information where you can get in touch with us. Thanks for watching.